What is the salt and vinegar mixture that will kill English ivy? English ivy is a hardy ground cover and wall climbing plant that can be troublesome for homeowners. Luckily, the natural and environmentally friendly combination of salt and vinegar can help homeowners and gardeners kill this plant. Formula: combine 1 gallon of white or apple cider vinegar, 1 ounce of liquid soap and 1 tablespoon of salt in an empty bucket. The combination of the acetic acid in the vinegar and the salt will dry up moisture and kill the English ivy plant. Adding liquid soap enhances the effectiveness of the vinegar. How it works. Vinegar is an acetic acid, a commonly used weed killer. Salt dehydrates plants. The combination of vinegar, salt and liquid soap makes a powerful remedy for both unwanted weeds and plant life. Reapplication. The most common vinegar, household and cooking vinegar, has a relatively low level of acetic acid. This home remedy of salt and vinegar may need to be reapplied to manage older, stubborn plants. Be sure to apply the solution to both the plant and the roots and surrounding soil.